In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to permanently delete a Hostinger website step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, removing a test site, or closing down a live website, it's important to do this the right way so everything is fully removed from your hosting account. I'll also explain what gets deleted and what you should double check before confirming. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the important warning about permanent data loss. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical web hosting tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Hostinger dashboard, also known as hPanel. This is where you manage your hosting plans, domains, emails, and websites. From the dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Websites. This section shows all the websites connected to your hosting account. If you have multiple websites, take a moment to carefully identify the one you want to permanently delete. Make sure you select the correct site, especially if you're managing client projects or multiple domains. Once you've found the website you want to remove, go to the right-hand side of that website's row. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the Options or Action menu. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. In the drop-down options, click on Delete. Hostinger will now prompt you with a warning message. This is where you need to pay close attention. Deleting a website in Hostinger permanently removes all associated files, databases, email accounts connected to that site, and configuration settings. This action cannot be undone. Before you continue, make sure you have backed up any important files or databases. If there's anything you might need later, download a backup first from the Files or Backup section in hPanel. Once the deletion is confirmed, there is no way to restore the data unless you already have a backup saved. If you're absolutely sure you want to proceed, Hostinger will ask you to type a confirmation text. This is an extra security step to prevent accidental deletions. Carefully type the required confirmation phrase exactly as shown on the screen. After typing the confirmation text, click the Delete button. Hostinger will then process the request. Within a few moments, the website will be completely removed from your hosting account. It will no longer appear in your website's list, and all of its data will be erased from the server. That's it. The website is now permanently deleted. Just to recap quickly, log into hPanel, go to Websites, click the three-dot icon next to the site you want to remove, choose Delete, type the confirmation text, and confirm the deletion. Always double-check the website name and back up your data before completing this process. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and website management guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.